All right, welcome to this market analysis. Well, in this very brief market analysis, we are generally going to be looking into the market condition. And of course, it has been our prayers, it has been our best wish that the market conditions should continue to improve for us to begin to trade optimally. All right, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements scheduled for this week. As you can see, we have some high impact news announcements here, but probably the most highest heavyweight of these high impact news announcements is that of the interest rate coming from the Canadian dollar axis. So you really need to give special attention to that one. If you're an intraday trader, you must give attention to all of these news announcements marked in red. Okay, the other ones in gray are bank holidays. Okay, just like today being Monday, we have a bank holiday in China, and so that the Chinese bank holiday would tend to keep some market movers away. Okay, so that slows down a bit of price action. All right, so having said that, let's now look into the chart itself. Let's pick a few pairs and see what's been going on. Let's look at the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. You can see how price has stalled in a range. All right, let me just take out all of this so you can see exactly what has been going on. Let me just take out all this. Oh, sorry, I don't want to delete everything. Just a few. Okay, all right, so you can see the charts very clearly in the last few days. See how price came into this range, okay, into that sideways bias, then it dropped down right there. Okay, heavy drop down, and since then we have gone back into another range. See what price has been doing. And so this is the type of market that you will see across board. We look into the charts every single day, and of course market is just being erratic and not stable yet. All right, even though the momentum has improved compared to some most months in last year and below, we have not really gotten that price reaction that is suitable for price action traders. So we get ranges, we get swift move, we get another range, and maybe another swift move, then another range. That's what has been going on. All right, so it's been not really suitable condition for traders. All right, so ranges upon ranges, very erratic price behavior. At any rate, we will keep following. We'll keep following these pairs to see what's going up. Now, around this area of resistance for the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen, we are going to be watching to see the type of price reaction we will get of that zone. But for now, hey, this is there's absolutely nothing here. It's just a range, and it's quite risky to trade there. We might be expecting a bounce, okay, but price might just cruise again above that level. So let's keep watching to see the type of price action we will get. You will see that range in the forward time frame. Just look at the price has been sideways. All right, it keeps cruising up, sideways, cruise down, cruise up. Okay, so in this type of market, you cannot squeeze anything out of it. The euro against New Zealand dollar is a similar one. You can see for the past few days, price has been in that range as well, where we got some nice moves in past days. But as soon as we came live to start our live trading, after seeing some of those actions, then we went sideways again. Price went sideways. Here, it's extremely difficult to make money out of this type of market. Even though our overall direction for the euro against New Zealand dollar is to the upside, as long as price remains right here, there's nothing we can trade right there. Now let's take the euro against the American dollar, where we had looked at this in the weekly time frame, where price broke the outer trend line in the weekly time frame. made that ugly pullback, and we had previously analyzed that the bulls are still very much intact in that area. Okay, but looking at the type of price action here, it is not suitable for us to get involved. In fact, there is no valid setup for us. Even looking into the short time frames, all right, in the forward time frame, you will see how price has just been going sideways, drop down, okay, then up again, sideways again, up again. That's it. That's crazy. All right, that's absolutely crazy. It's not something that we can trade at all. This is a sideways market right there. Again, we are seeing a push to the upside. Will that push continue? Well, this is resistance zone. You have to be careful. We may get a fake to the downside, so just be patient. Okay. Where absolutely nothing to trade here. If you have a strategy that you are able to squeeze some pips out of this type of market behavior, then well, congratulations to you. But for us, we cannot trade in this type of market. Then looking into the New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen, like I said, across many pairs, that's exactly that's the type of price action you'll be seeing. Ranges upon ranges. Look at the weekly time frame. Price has remained stalled within this sideways bias. Currently bouncing off the level of support, right? Key level of support. If you go into the daily time frame for the past 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 weeks going. Price has remained sideways around that area. Looking into the daily time frame, see how price has remained just in one area. If you look across all the Japanese yen pairs, you may find this type of price action. Range up there, crash to the downside, range again. All right, that's what has been going on for some time. Again, even though the market condition has the momentum has greatly improved, but then the directions are not clear enough yet. All right, we are still having price moving sideways. All right, which is really no direction. You have to trade when you have a direction. All right, the Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Like I said, if you go across the Japanese yen pairs, these are the kind of price action you'll be seeing. This is again another heavy congestion going on right here. No direction, right? No direction. Even when we had this direction here, the movement were really not good. Things are actually improving, but then not best yet for us to trade. All right, not best for us to trade. The Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. Well, last week we thought price was actually going to continue to the upside, but that didn't happen. In fact, price came down. The market movers knows exactly what they are doing, probably to take out all stop losses, then begin to drive price again on its merry way to the upside. If you see the weekly time frame, last week candle was a rejection bar. All right, a rejection bar of that level of support. But then with this congestion, anything can happen. That is heavy congestion going on. There is no clear direction yet on the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, and so we just want to wait for price to move out of this range that we are seeing in the daily time frame. Well, let's take one more pair, the sterling pounds against Australian dollar. Here again in the weekly time frame, range upon range, you can see that. All right, sideways bias, sideways bias. No clear direction for several weeks, okay, even months right there. In the daily time frame, well, this is really sad, really sad. That very bad price action. Yeah, let's just wait. Once we find those valid price behaviors, of course, we are even eager to get back trading active, but then the market is not really suitable for us. So we'll just keep following, believing that one day, sooner than later, price action is going to return to normal, and we will start kicking in our profits as usual. Thanks for sticking with us. Please just stick around and watch. You are not paying a dime for anything. Just watch. Once things get better, of course, we will bounce back. I wish you the best out there. Be careful. Don't force your trades. Just wait. We are still in the market, and definitely things will improve. Bye for now.